Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence are giving organizations access to more data than ever before, at a massive scale and right at their fingertips. Yet that abundance comes with a challenge. Companies must still verify that the information is correct and credible. That's where human expertise remains essential. At a time when many of us are wondering if we fit in an AI-driven world, the truth is simple. We're very much at the center of it.
The real story isn't about AI replacing people. It's about AI supporting them. We're referring to data-driven models that ultimately support human decision-making as opposed to replacing them. The human needs to stay in control, and AI helps carry that load. The output of any model is limited to the data it's been trained on. That's a fundamental constraint of LLMs, which is why the input into those models has to be verified by humans. It means that data has been validated, contextualized, and structured so it can be trusted and used at scale.
With data volume surging, companies are looking for simpler ways to make information usable for their employees. That demand has fueled the growth of data integration, which lets organizations pull critical findings from multiple sources and deliver only what their teams need. Carmen McKinney, IBISWorld's Chief Commercial and Product Officer, explains the company's role in providing these key insights to its clients.
It comes down to decades of deep industry understanding and applied through proprietary methodology that has been refined over time. IBISWorld has spent decades building that expertise, understanding industries at a level that allows us not just to know what the data says, but what it means. It's not something you can replicate quickly. And what it allows us to deliver is data that is trusted by firms worldwide.
Data provenance and the trust is fundamental to how we use information, but also all our AI deployments. The biggest value extract is to say we have a trusted data source that we're able to get insights from. It really speeds up the process and it allows us to dig deeper. What we want to do is equip our decision makers and our sales representatives with a very clear view of what we are able to deliver.
Global economies run on relevant, verified data, but today it pours in faster than ever. Human expertise remains essential in this process, turning that influx into trustworthy insight that keeps the world moving.
Predominantly, we were purpose-built for commercial banks, but we've expanded that across multiple B2B organizations. So you can think about professional services firms like accounting, consulting, or financial services firms like investment banks, and even some larger B2B business support services. We really span quite a broad range of organizations who need industry information to make meaningful and accurate, timely decisions. In the world of technological advancements and AI, our number one goal is to continue to build that data set for our customers, but ultimately then deliver it where they need it and how they need it. For IBISWorld, you can trust that every data point's been vetted, we've cleaned it, we've concorded it, and we've put it in a place that is easily accessible for our clients to do what they need to do.
We get a lot of technical value for our internal colleagues from IBISWorld. It really reduces the amount of time that gets spent curating data and insights on the industries we serve. This enables us to get back to our clients at a rapid pace and enables us to make smarter banking decisions based on the industry that we're working with.
For more than 50 years, IBISWorld has consistently listened to client needs and evolved with changing research methods and technologies. Throughout this evolution, the company has amassed the largest database of industry statistics and analysis globally, helping hundreds of organizations better understand the industries they serve.
When we have internal colleagues analyzing a deal, they can pull in IBISWorld data in a summarized and condensed fashion at the click of a button and inform our decisions more effectively.
Continuing to evolve our geographical coverage and expansion to make sure that our clients can see the full picture in any industry, any sector, or any geography. We've most recently launched some European collections that have expanded our coverage there. So we'll continue to invest in the ways in which we deliver our information directly to our clients.
IBISWorld's mission is to be the world-leading provider of industry information, and we're deeply passionate about helping clients grow, make better business decisions, and help economies. And that's built on critical decision-making with confidence because we know that the data behind it was right.
Expert perspective, connected insights, unrivaled results. To learn more, visit IBISWorld.com.